Good morning, ma'am. Here I am going to show you the demo video of our topic, and our topic is a study on information gathering, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment techniques. And our teammates are Agrima and myself, Anshuman. Here I am going to show you the demo of the 5 tools that we are going to use in our topic. That is Dimitri tool, YukiChan, Red Hawk, and OSZap, and a Vega scanner. So first tool is our Dimitri tool. Here, if we go here and just type Dimitri, so you can get the Dimitri tool directly from here. So this type of pop-up window will come. Here we can see the some uses of our Dimitri tool, like /o is used for saving the output in form of text file, /I is used for who is lookup for an IP address, /w is used for who is lookup for a domain name. Suppose for example I am going to type Dimitri /I, any website, if any IP address if you want, like 192.168.0.1, 92.168.0.1. If I just press enter, it will giving me the details about the IP that is being used. This IP has been used in this many countries like Africa, Asia Pacific, Northern America, South America, Latin America, and some authorities are also using this website. So this is how these websites are working. And the next if I want to do the next I want to suppose if I just type Dimitri /I, suppose I want www dot, if I want /w, just a second, yeah, so who is lookup /w, any website www.google.com. if I just type this, and it will giving me the data about the Google, like such as domain name, registered who is lookup, when the Google will be updated last, what is the creation date of Google, 15/9/1997, it is giving the expiry date of the Google. So all those things it will give me. So it is giving me. Next thing is, suppose if I just want to see the Dimitri number of subnets or number of emails which are present in the thing. So you just have to type the /e and just google.com. So what are the emails which are present in the google.com? It will start scanning it. You can see the host name of the Google, and you can see the 0 emails are found because Google is a very confidential website. If you just type Dimitri /e youtube.com, so you will get the number of emails which are present in the YouTube. So also YouTube will not giving me any information regarding their emails for this. But if you just want to see the number of subnets which are present in it, you have to use /s google.com. So it will start giving me the number of subdomain which is present in the Google. So that is how it works. And Dimitri tool is also very much useful for the finding out the TCP ports, who is lookup, and all those things. So this is the working of the Dimitri tool. Now we will move on to the YukiChan tool. So first of all, we have to create a directory in our desktop. Under that, we have to go to YukiChan pentest, and now I am under the YukiChan directory. To initialize our YukiChan, we have to use the command ./yuki.sh, and if we press enter, it will asking me this type of pop-up window will come and asking me that enter the domain of your target website. So I just typing in www.google.com, and if I press enter, it start scanning and giving me the what type of modules which are present in the YouTube. And we can clearly see it is giving me the server and the address of the Google. and then after that it will give me the ports which are present in the Google, what are the state of that ports, what are the services which are present in the Google. After that it will giving me the harvester, which is the one of the modules of the Yuki-chan. And then we can see, and then it will take some 2 to 3 minutes. Like metagofil is very much useful to give the what are the number of doc file, PDF file, XLS file, CSV file, which are all the file present in the that it will give. Next is WAF Whoop. This is our the fingerprint scanner, which is very much used. Then our WP scan, WP scanner, all those things it will scan. It will take few minutes and it will give the complete list of vulnerability which are present in our website. Next, go to Red Hawk tool. So similarly the process is very same. Go to desktop under the Red Hawk directory, and after that you have to write PHP rhawk PHP. Actually the using of PHP is because of that Red Hawk is the PHP based language tool, so we have to use PHP rhawk.php. So if I just press enter, it will give me this pop-up window, all in one tool for information gathering and vulnerability scanning. So it will asking me for enter the website we want to scan. Suppose I want to scan the youtube.com. If I press enter, it will asking me for enter 1 for HTTP and enter 2 for HTTPS. If I press 1, so it will giving me this many modules which are present in our Red Hawk tool, like basic recon, whois lookup, GeoIP lookup, grab scanner, DNS lookup, subnet calculator, nmap port scan, subdomain scanner, reverse IP lookup and CMS detection, SQLi scanner, blogger view, WordPress scan, crawler, MX lookup, and all those things. So if I just want to see GeoIP lookup, I press 2. So it is giving me, you can clearly see it is giving me the IP address, country, latitude, longitude of the particular website youtube.com. If I want to continue, I have to press enter. If I want to stop, we have to do control C. I am just press enter. So I want to see 13 point MX lookup. If I press 13, it will give me the host name of the server, like sf/in f26.i. In the report also I have included all the things, like just a second. Yeah, here you can see basic recon, then whois lookup, then GeoIP lookup, banner grabbing, DNS lookup, subnet calculator. You can see the address, network, netmask, broadcast, wild mask, all these things it will giving clearly. And subdomain, WordPress, crawling, MX lookup. So that is how our Yuki-chan will work. Now coming to our Red Hawk again, Yuki-chan. It is now Yuki-chan, you can see clearly Yuki-chan has completed all type of scanning. It is giving all the vulnerability which are present, what are the things are allowable, which are not disallowable, and which are vulnerable, which are not vulnerable, which are risk, which have a low risk, which have a high risk. It is all showing here. You can see which user agents are allowed, which are not allowed. It is clearly mentioning. And after that we can see here, so it is showing that which SSL vulnerabilities is enabled, which is disabled. So which are enabled, attacker might be you can say attack and get the information gathered. And similarly we can see here the heartbleed is there, which we see TLSS version 1.3 is not vulnerable to heartbleed. And similarly we can see here the fudge scanning is also there, and complete analysis of the thing. So if I show you in our report, SSS scanning, spec T, all those things are covered here and pasted. WPS scan, WPS Seku, and after that it will showing the list of vulnerability. You can see here /1/2/3. So it is showing the in the form of JavaScript. It is showing like this vulnerability is present, this vulnerability is present. And you can scroll down here, you can see here like this type of vulnerability is present. So attacker might be use this thing and may attack, like attacker, and can inject a JavaScript code in this URL, and it will attack and steal the information. So Yuki Chain is a very good tool for a deep learning process, and a company may get this type of list of vulnerability which the system contains, and it will reduce the thing. And now coming to the next tool. Now our next tool is Zap, OS Zap. If you just click on here, Zap, you will get this window, and it is loading. Just a second. This is all about a Red Hawk, Yuki Chain, and a Dimitri tool. So now, yeah, so this is our OS Zap. This is our OS Zap tool. You can see here there is a quick start option, and there is a automatic scan. If you just click on automatic scan, it is asking me for enter the URL you want to scan. If I just put www.webscantest.com, this is a very famous website for a web attackers. They will use this, and just you have to press on attack, and it will showing some error because this is a very crucial website. So if I just want to scan www.google.com, and if I just press attack, so it is accessing the URL of the Google, and you can clearly see it is started the scanning of this the URL, and it is giving all type of the requests that are going to proceed here. Here you can see the one alert option is there, which if we click, it will giving me the 15 type of alert which are present in the google.com. If I just these type of the website which are present in the Google, if I just click here, and this if I just click here link, so parallelly you can see it is giving the body of that particular URL, and this is type of some, you can say the some sort of JavaScript is giving here. And here you can see for every link it is giving the risk factor, the confidence, the parameter, and the source. So the main thing is here is risk. It is giving the risk which the website is under risk. This is medium, this is medium. Okay, parallelly it is also giving its JavaScript also. You can see here it is a JavaScript of that particular website. And as well as if I want to see, just a minute, yeah, you can see risk is low, risk is high. These many alerts are is showing, and it will take some 1 or 2 minutes, sometime 10 minutes, depending upon the website that you are going to search on. But this is the most important part, is alert. This is showing each and every type of possible alert, and inside that also you can see risk is low, risk is high, risk is medium, and it's showing all type of his JavaScript also at the same time. And you can see here the source is also given. So likewise this tool is very useful for the deep learning. If you want to check the any type of alerts, any type of vulnerability which are present in any website, it will give you the direct level of risk which is present in this particular link, and you can work on it, and you can improve the system security. And our last and the next tool is our Vega scanner. So this is our Vega scanner tool. You can found this tool if you go here, just a second. Yeah, so this is the website that is called subgraph.com. So here if you click on download button, the Vega will be downloaded in your system. If you see here, I have downloaded the Vega in my Windows, and it is very good. Like instead of checking the vulnerability in the Linux system, we are getting the vulnerability assessment in our window itself. It is a very good thing. You can run the Vega also in our Linux system, but I have installed in our window. So this is my Vega, but Vega is work only when you have a Java. You have to configure the Java command also, Java file app also in your system to run the Vega also, Vega scanner. So to download this, you have to go to this link, and this link is there. You have to just scroll down and you have to just click here, and the Vega the Java script is also already included in your system. After that, you just have to just a minute, I am showing you the procedure of installing to just make clear of all this thing. So yeah, so first you have to set the Java setup. After that, you have to go to the product subgraph.com to install our Vega. After that installation, you have to press next. You have to give some certain permission. After that, you have to set the location, and then you have to just click on finish, and this type of pop-up window will come. This is the Vega scanner window that you can see here, and I am just going to, I am searching, I am just doing the web scan. So here you can see, go to the window, you go to the preferences, you can set the proxy also here, enable or disable depending upon your need. And for scanning, you just have to go to scan and start a new scan. Automatically your scan will be get started. And if you go here, just a minute, actually one more scan is going on, that is why it's showing the not responding, but that is not a problem. So like simple thing is like, you just have to, yeah, it's came. So you just have to, what you have to do is, you go to the scanner part, go to the scan part, you just have to click on scan. It will start scanning the thing. Here one option is there for proxy. If you click here for proxy, you will get what are the requested that made by YouTube to my system to check whether the vulnerabilities is present or not. In scanner part, one more thing I have to show you. Just a minute, I will show in my report to make it clear. Just a minute, yeah. So here, after clicking on the, suppose I am clicking on the targeted website, if I click here, it is asked for two modules, injection module and response processing module. Okay, if I click on the injection module, I will get these many things: XSS injection jack, remote file include check, blind injection timing, local file include check, blind XPath injection path, all those things I am getting here. And similarly, if I click on the second module, I will get so many things. So Vega scanner is very much useful for the people who want a large number of users are present in a particular website. So Vega scanner is a perfect tool to use, because it will give you the exact information about the particular website. Like I am searching here youtube.com for last 1 hour, and it is giving me the cross-site scripting and SQL injection are very high chances of getting attacked by an attacker. And you can see some other information it is also giving me, and parallelly it is giving me the proxy. If you click on the proxy, what are the requested that are found from the system to our server, it is giving. So you can see the cross-site scripting and SQL injection is very high in our Vega youtube.com. So that is how our Vega scanner will work. And this is all about our topic that we have shown you. And our main aim of our project is like to improve and knowledge and explore about the various tools used for our security auditing purposes. And all the analysis and attack was carried out in a Kali Linux system, which is specialized for a learning security analysis using some tool as mentioned above. And the most important thing is like, we have learned about the penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and the information gathering of any type of website, any type of vulnerable website. And we have collected so much of data and the vulnerability which are present inside the system and a website. Thank you so much, ma'am.